guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can join a private server on Roblox, like via link. So for instance, you go to like a game's like Discord and like they send you links. Just select the private server. Oh, okay. Let's choose like another one. Select it and it's going to redirect you to a page. Okay. I don't know why it's not working. Sorry. Well, you're just going to select the link and it's going to redirect you to a private server. Just like open. And it's going to open the game here. And that is how you can join a game using a link to a private server. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.